Okay, so here's a unique example of how dealer order flow can give you an advantage by keeping you out of a trade. Um, this is very interesting. You've got a chart here of Apple today. This is Friday the 25th. We're live. It's about quarter after 11 here out on the West Coast. There's not a lot of time left in the trading day anyway. But what's really fascinating is every time we had a sell-off in Apple, the dealer flow came in and countered the sell-off, giving you the clear signal to continue to accumulate with them. However, on this last sell-off right here, which of course was forecasted, this rally here was forecasted by the dealer flow, showing you that they were distributing on this rally. Even though they did accumulate in here, there was a distribution here, and we just haven't played ball ever since. This sell-off here has been confirmed by the dealer order flow. So normally, without having this, you would say, and you could look at other things, but you would say, I want to be a buyer in here at the support. What I'm implying is this support is not the same support as it was here. We'll see how this plays out, but from what I can tell, dealer flow being constant, you want to unload or cover your position. So we'll see what happens here. But I would say this is a false buy right in here until we get better confirmation. Just another example. All day long, it was about 15 minutes on the correlation when dealer flow countered price action for about 15 minutes. Is about all that price could diverge against it. So normally you expect correlation, but when they do decorrelate, it's time to wake up, and we definitely have a decorrelation in any rally right now. We'll see how this plays out. Okay, so it's now 11:30 West Coast time. I think this pattern caught a lot of people. A lot of people like to trade the head and shoulders bottom. So you have your left shoulder here. You have it takes out the old high, so to speak, of the left shoulder. Here's the head. You're going to play the right shoulder. I'm saying, oh no, you don't. The reason being is the dealers are not with this pattern. And so here, this is a very defined support. I had this support defined and actually, played this as a long signal at the head. The problem was the rally that the reversal that followed that support bounce was used for distribution, and these dealers are paying for order flow. They have information that you don't have. So this is the edge, and it had a long bias all day until that last rally, and recently, about 10 minutes ago, the price action seemed to have attracted some nibbling, but main thing is you've got to watch the dealer flow for some sort of a call on whether your support or your resistance is going to hold. And I just thought I'd start. There'll be lots of entry signals, but I thought I would start off with something unique, which was giving you a tip off that a support or resistance or a buy or a sell signal would not hold you. And sometimes some of the trades we can avoid are just as good as the ones that we get into.